After 50, many people think change is slow. The truth is that one small daily choice can reshape your life. Today, you will learn the simple actions that help you feel stronger and more in control. Start your day with water. Drink 1 glass of water as soon as you wake up. It gives your body a clean start. It helps your energy stay steady through the morning. Walk for 10 minutes. A short walk helps your heart and your mind. It improves circulation. It reduces stress. 10 minutes a day is enough to start feeling the difference. Avoid your phone in the first 30 minutes. Your mind needs a calm start. Skipping notifications in the morning helps your focus. You stay more productive through the day. Write one small goal. Choose one simple goal every day. Write it on paper. Finish it before you sleep. Small wins build confidence. After 50. Improve your diet. Slowly add one healthy change each day. More water, more fiber, less sugar. Your body responds fast at any age when the input is clean. If you want to build a healthy routine, try a stainless steel water bottle. It keeps your water fresh. You stay hydrated through the day. The Amazon link is in the description. One daily choice creates progress. You control your habits. You shape your future. Live your golden life after 50.